It's so exciting. I'm moving to New York, I'm going to the city. There's a lot of energy. Pretty much everyone I know, including myself, falls on their face in the first 6 months at some point.
Moving to a new city can be intimidating and expensive.
I guess I really didn't know how much rent is until I had to pay it every month. I was just thinking, I don't even have that much in my bank account.
I called my grandma and I was like, Nana, you're gonna have to set me up in the basement.
The only way that I knew I could live in New York was if I had roommates. And I think it's really important to listen to your gut instinct.
This is a series about navigating rent, roommates, and life in a new city.
I'm just learning to give myself grace in this process, trying to relearn my passions in my adult life.
It was a path that I never would have predicted, but ended up being like exactly where I needed to be.
So are you ready for a new lease on life?